Recently, iPhone 15 has launched and the craze of iPhone 15 has been buffering a lot. And one of my friend has bought an iPhone which turned into a used iPhone. But then he came to me and he asked me that how can I check that whether my iPhone is used or it's new. So let's know how you can check your iPhone status. First of all, go to your settings, open the About tab, copy your iPhone serial number, go to any browser, open Apple Check Coverage. Paste your device serial number, fill the CAPTCHA and tap on the submit button. If your iPhone is real, it will show you all the details on the page, and if not, it will show you the error. You can also check your device status simply by its model number. If your iPhone model number starts with M, it's a new iPhone. If it starts with N, some parts of the iPhone are replaced.
And if it starts with F, that means it's a refurbished phone.
So in this way you can check it out that whether your iPhone is new or it is used. So if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, share with your friends, and yes, do not forget to subscribe our channel. I'll meet you in the next one.